Meaning of fair trade.
Fair trade.
Fair trade.
Fair trade.
Fair trade. Fair trade is a movement dedicated to promoting equitable trading partnerships between producers in developing countries and consumers in developed countries. It aims to provide fair wages, better working conditions, and sustainable livelihoods for farmers and workers in the global south. This is achieved by establishing direct market access, offering fair prices, and providing support for community development projects. The result of fair trade practices is that producers receive a fair price for their goods, while consumers can purchase products that are ethically and sustainably produced. Additionally, fair trade can contribute to poverty reduction and environmental sustainability.